reggae vibes leader.
Essence of reggae to Queen Ifrica for those who don't know, you know? And we're all about the struggle. We see them invent some new Jamaica and something I go on, but we're not too pleased because I don't know what thing go. The woman them a ball in the inner city, the youths them are dead out. And that's why we do a song like them, you know? I still have a member. Sitting on a bench and reminisce on the things we used to do. Yeah, you know, and we are born in a city where the youth them not get no pity. And to me say you call election, but a rejection, yes. Reminisce on the things we used to do. Even though I know you ain't the shots on this, we try my best to talk to you. It was a joy just to tell a girl, so the man we bust his gold. Serving as the wife of a criminal, that really make no sense at all. Cause him gone, never did a girl the morning. Fire turn on, upon the concrete him traveled. Sometimes I miss you, right away, and the victim them alone, you know. Now get no help on the go on the show. But if we didn't tell you, say you be where you fall. God won't forgive you, right there. I wish I never did give you my love. Say more time for long for you, listen to heart. If you want a man and he not living upright, then yes, you can give a reason I won't fight. You ask him to move on him and then you say, just sit down on your feet. And if him thinks that he can't give him one foot, don't cook me food, you give me one foot. Cause after all this I said I know, that's why them a go and they know them. Sometimes I miss you, Randy, baby. Sometimes I miss you, Randy. You should have listened, Randy, baby. Ah, never know. All right, this is all the clapping. I'm not want to ramp it because we start because we have one more clap up here. Oh, no, you mommy. No, mommy not changing that. Not that fuck. But just I got essence of reggae in the night. You don't know things said. Sense of occasion, we don't hear that. And we are bleeding our belly for country, so. Right, on the back of you, we are line up for you. See what thing go. What the next track we have this? I want to take you far away, far away, far away. Where are that? I'm the inside and I say, hey, there you go, sir. I don't know how rough cut things set up. Rough cut does accommodate some reggae acting in the night, yeah. Don't know much of a word there. Check it out now. So after lately we notice the domestic violence low. Get out of hand in Jamaica. I don't have to advertise it no more, so I'm a single woman. When I'm never single, I'm free. I'm free and happy with it too. No complaints. Because we walk the walk. You see what I say? So now we have to do the talking. We just want to say to some people in a relationship, say it's not worth it to kill yourself over no woman when I love you. And it's not worth it to kill yourself over no man when I love you. You hear that? You say if you're working at a relationship and it now work out, walk with left feet bumbuckler. Walk with your sanity. Walk with your nice self. Come slow say we, but you know say if you're still in love and there are things that you can't work out, work it till you can't work no more, man. Because love matters. It's important to be in love. To sleep side of somebody at night time, because we're not going so free for the rest of my life. I'm lucky. I am. Yes, sir, that's it. But in the meantime, you're sexy too, you know. I'm gonna check you out. Come on. You are my best friend within a million years. Still, I get a little worried as I count the days before we lose our way and fall apart. Let's accelerate, play around like children in the park. Let's accelerate, touch and feeling in the dark. Let's accelerate, life is way too short to hesitate. Let's accelerate, let's get busy. Everything was fine when the ball had a shine. Now it's just memories beyond the even kiss. The forecast is looking bleak. The very thought makes me weak. Yeah. Before we have to call on Dr. Phil. Let's do movement. Dinner on a mystic mountain. Baby, let's get away. We need a holiday. Yeah. Don't worry about the bills today. Honey, the kids will be okay. Before we lose our way and fall apart. There ain't no giving in. So when the going gets from love, that's how the tough gets going. I said there ain't no give up, no. There ain't no giving in. That's Thank you so much, guys. Give me the round of applause now. Round of applause. Thank you, thank you. We're quarrel and we fight. But we're gonna make it up, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna make it up, sit and know. Me and my love for just always a fight, but you know, pull up, guys. Everything up. All right. We're quarrel and we fight. But we're gonna make it up tonight. I love you, baby. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Me and my love for just always a fight, but you know, if you don't feel like my smile get bright. War on them left for no come back till late in a show and with a bunch of the and even though me vex till me blood them wild. One look below the waist and humble like a child. Yeah, and when you go down the feeling, just see what you really them was say. Hey, you know me like a Baby, Father, me love you. I really just love you. You know, hear me say, me love you. Me love you. My baby Father, me love you. I really just love you. You know, hear me say, me love. But make you ready something about 3 times. I mean, hey, never run. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah, 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 yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? But the ring on this stuff, you know. No! And the rolling star. Essence. Listen it. Bam, 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 bam. Line up yourself. Are you next? Ah, yes. Jamaica, one of the strongest one that me know, you know. Are you ready? I love things with me alive. Are you ready? When the road is fall up, see that now you're standing tall up. To face the darkness and the hardest of time. We'll be taking care of all of the children there. That will be on the front line. You can call the mama there. Once the rules remain the same, say never willingness forever to fight. Once it's a better, I go right, every letter, and I'm moving to tell them. So we are roll with the punches.